this time, Manny Kelly. Close your eyes and make your wish. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, blow your candle. Jaya Blessing and palakpakan po natin, Manny Kelly! Happy birthday to you! Yeah!
Thank you so much sa lahat ng sacrifice, pag-alaga kay Gabi. Alam mo, marami namin at hindi namin maranasin kung nasan kami ngayon kung hindi dahil sa inyo. Lahat ng nakakamasan namin ngayon, utang namin lang sa iyo. Mahal-mahal namin na, ingat ka palagi sana, kita ka ng mahabang buhay ni Lord, para mas makasama ka pa namin ng matagal. So,
diba? Happy birthday, Nay. Just sabihin ko, malakas na lagi, kailangan namin si Gabi. Yun lang, mahaba pa buhay mo. Salamat sa lahat. Love you, ingat lagi.
Gabi na, ingat ka palagi, happy birthday.
Jaya.
Pwede ba mahaba? Ayan. Happy birthday, Nay! Ayan, sobrang saya ko dahil umabot ka sa ganyang edad na 75. So sa panahon kasi ngayon, sobrang hirap na makakaabot ka sa ganyang edad, kaya talaga dapat i-celebrate dyan. Tsaka pinasasalamatan din kita, Nay, para sa kapatid ko na si Miss Gren. Dahil kahit ganyan na edad mo, naalagaan mo pa rin si Gab, yung apo niya. Di ba sa ganitong edad, yung nakakapag-alaga pa siya ng apo, talaga yun, napakalaki pa sa salamat natin yun. Ayun, talagang salamat kami kasi sa amin kasi marami mga anak din kami sa pamilya namin. Kaya sobrang salamat, Nay, dahil inaalagaan mo si Gabi. Yan lang, Nay, tsaka sobrang, ang wish ko sa'yo, Nay, ngayong birthday mo, ayan, more birthdays to come, tapos magkaroon ka pa ng good health, tsaka maging lalo ka pa maging blooming, tsaka maging pretty. Yung gift ko sa'yo, magagamit mo yan. Happy birthday, Nay.
Jaya, thank you very much, Mama Emmy.
Picture!
Picture taking po, ayan. So habang nag-take po sila ng pictures, tawagin na rin po natin yung close friend ng ating birthday celebrant. We have Ma'am Tess Molina.
Happy birthday, Nay Penny!
Speechless?
Alam ko na masaya ka ngayong araw na to kahit na wala si Lena at si Alvin. Sabi ko kanina hindi ako iiyak.
Oo nga, sabi mo, hindi ka iyak.
Hindi naman kita binan.
Naiinis sa akin ang ate ko daw eh.
Iyak.
Hindi daw siya iyak.
Pero nakakaiyak pala pagka nandito ka na. Sana po bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng maraming birthday. Yun lang, nasabi naman na nila lahat. Baka umaba pa. Ang gusto lang sa'yo ay mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday!
Jaya, thank you very much, Ma'am Jasmine. Picture taking po.
Flying to the moon, let me play among the stars. Baby, kiss me.
Bakit kay mama?
Thank you very much. Thanks, Lar. Once again, ang apo ng ating birthday celebrant. And now we have the song. Hasmin. Ayan, Ma'am Hasmin. What is the title of that song?
Yung camera na kagano'n.
Macarena is correct! Sample please! You know, bago na pala yung artista ko Macarena. Hey, yes! Abot pa lang baka naman po natin si Mami Yasmin. Ayan, give the prize. Okay, sige po. Picture taking. Photography and photo, thank you very much. JB Palace and Resorts, thank you very much. Sophia's Events and Catering Services. Sa panahon po ngayon, para maghanap po ng memories kasama ang mga kaibigan, ganun din po ang pamilya. Tandaan, hindi po natin alam hanggang kailan tayo sa mundo. And of course, pag narinig nyo na ang music na to, hey! Tayo na next alam! Christmas na! Let the dating teams greet you a Merry Christmas to all of you. Tandaan po natin, ang spirit ng Christmas ay ang pagmamahalan at pagbibigayan. Kaya let's spread love, 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 love! Muli, I'm your host, Hakuna Matata, say good night and God bless you all. Party, party na! Happy birthday! Woohoo! Sa mga gusto mong mag-take ng pictures together with a birthday celebrant, ay pwede po kayong pumunta sa harapan para po tayo mag-picture-picture. At sa mga gusto mong sumayaw sa ating dance,
It's my birthday, so I get what I want. I want you, and I don't need everyone. I want your time and then some. Don't tell me no, 'cause then we got a problem. Piece of cake. Celebrate. Peach mimosas in the mall. Presents wanna get old. Don't tell me no, 'cause it's all about me. Yeah, it's all about me. I want you, I don't need it. 'Cause it's all about me. I want your time and then some. Yeah, it's all about me. I'm about to be a problem. All about me. Blowing out the candles. Quick, pose for the camera. Shaking up the presents. I can tell what's inside. You pay attention to details, so you know what I like. We made it through the year. Somebody give it up for the birthday girl. Hey, it's your birthday. Piece of cake. Celebrate. Peach mimosas in the mall. Presents wanna get old. Don't tell me no, 'cause it's all about me. Yeah, it's all about me. I want you, I don't need it. 'Cause it's all about me. I want your time and then some. Yeah, it's all about me. I'm about to be a problem. 'Cause it's all about me. Yeah, it's all about me. I want you, I don't need it. 'Cause it's all about me. I want your time and then some. Yeah, it's all about me. I'm about to be a problem. All about me.
Breathe in, breathe out. Let all of your worries flow out. Time will pass, and so too shall this. Take